Hello everyone, again welcome. Today we are diving into the world of very beautiful wooden touch of rustic ideas of creative collection. In this holiday season, we gives you the amazing ideas of these designs, and you can make very beautifully, and you can design it with your friends and family circle, and you can also sell it. You can grow your business, you can make your asset. So this season we're gonna give you the amazing craft ideas like this, and everyone wants to love that, and everybody wants to make this type of things. This season is full of joy and happiness, but not only joyness and something doing different with in this season. So we gives you the advice that you can make your own brand with this type of things, and you can grow your business as well, and you can make your asset like that. So this video gonna gives you the ideas of wooden rustic touch craft wooden ideas. So these designs are very beautiful and amazing. Hope you enjoy these designs and ideas, and we try to give you the amazing touch of rustic wood collection. So thank you for watching. We are giving you the amazing touch of the video, and stay tuned till the end. So here are the gorgeous and amazing designs with rustic and ideal looks. So this season will make you cozy and entertaining from these videos and ideas. So what do you think about that? Designs, wall hanging, and place on a wood pieces. You can get it, you can make it at home, and you can get something wooden pieces, old wooden pieces. You can recycle that, and some jute rope work, some beaded work, some amazing work you can do on that. These designs are especially bring for you because everybody wants to love creation, and everybody wants to do that. So these creation will be amazing your mind and relieve your mind from stress. So these are very beautiful and amazing designs. So hope you like that. If you want to watch more designs like this, more ideas like that, you can make it, and you can watch this video on my channel. So these designs are very impressive and unique. Today we are showing you something truly magical, warm and rustic X-Max tree decoration that brings the beauty of nature right now into your home. So instead of the usual ornaments, we will be hanging shiny X-Max walls on natural wooden pieces, giving your tree a cozy handmade charm. Farmhouse looks, so grab a warm drink, sit back, and let's enjoy the process together. We start our X-Max tree. It doesn't have to be very big, where a medium-sized tree works perfectly for the style. The main idea is to keep it simple, rustic, and natural and festive. Next, we gather some wooden slices and branches. It doesn't have to be very big, even a medium-sized tree works perfectly for the style. The main idea is to keep it simple, natural, and festive. Take some wooden piece or frame, and you can make it very beautifully. Next, we gather some wooden slices and branches. These are cut from aired pieces of wood, nothing too perfect because the rustic look adds character. A little sanding smooths the surface, but we will keep the natural bark to show it's natural. Each wooden piece will serve as a hanger or support for our ornaments. Now let's move on the X-Max walls. Choose colors that match your holiday theme, like rustic red and gold for a classic look, silver and blue for a winter wonderful feel. Or even green and white for something more modern. To take them stand out, we will attach a small string or ribbon to each one. The key is balance. You want the balls to shine, but still keep that natural handmade feeling when combined with the wooden basing. As you hold one ball next to a wooden slice, you will see how beautifully nature and sparkle blend together. So here's come the fun part, hanging the ornaments. Each wooden piece is carefully tied with a string, twine or ribbon, and then a ball is attached to it. Each wooden piece is carefully tied and with a string, twine or ribbon, and then ball is attached to it. Some hang low, some higher, creating a natural rhythm around the tree. Notice how the wooden texture softens the shine of the ball. It feels rustic but festive at the same time. You can arrange them evenly or let them hang at different levels for a more playful, organic look. The wooden pieces almost act like branches within the tree, carrying the ornaments in the way that look both unique and welcoming. In finish the look, we add soft fairy lights between the branches. The warm glow reflects on the balls and highlights the wooden texture, giving the tree a cozy cabin-like atmosphere. If you like, you can also add a few pine cones, cinnamon sticks, or dried orange slices to match the natural theme. You can make different types of trees, like add some burlap, add some slices, wooden slices. And there you have it, a X-Mix tree that blends sparkle with simplicity. Hanging shiny X-Mix ball on wooden pieces creates festive designs that feel handmade, rustic, and full of holiday warmth. This is the decoration anyone can try, even with just a few materials at home. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this inspires you to bring a touch nature into your X-Mix celebrations. If you enjoyed this, forget to like, subscribe, and share for more creative holiday ideas. Merry and happy decorating. Our designs brings you the rustic look and farmhouse look, and we take you to the world of very amazing creation, crafty creation, very amazing and unique ideas. If you want to love more designs like this, if you want to get more ideas like this, you can join us on our channel. May your life fulfilled with happiness, love, prosperity, and magic. May you remain happy and blessings on you, so much blessings on you, your house fulfilled with love and happiness. So hope you enjoy these design and ideas. We try to bring the most beautiful design. These designs are very popular and creative. You can get best ideas from this video, and our tree is finally complete. Just look at how the wooden pieces and shiny walls frames together to create something truly special. It's a rustic festival, and it feels like X-Mix has come alive right in our home. So make something different and unique. This simple idea shows us that we don't always need expensive ornaments. Sometimes the beauty of nature mixed with little creativity is more than enough to spread holiday. Thank you so much for joining and spending for this time with me today. If you enjoyed the project, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Wishing you a season filled with peace, warmth, and happiness. Happy festival and happy decorating. So keep your designs and beautifully, and take something beautiful ideas from this video. By getting ideas from this video, you can enjoy these designs and make something extraordinary, something treasure to treasure, and very